whānau, no mai hoki mai, e te korowai te rangi Māori e. Kia ora everybody. Firstly, here we are, I'm sitting here and we're all in level 1. There's been a lot of water come under the bridge since level 4 was implemented, and during that time you will recall was formed to consider the guidelines for tangihanga, as well as considering the guidelines for tangihanga. We also agreed to impose a Rāhui, and we imposed that Rāhui due to the changes and things that pertain to tikanga that were imposed on us. And so the Rāhui was implemented by way of karakia by all of the iwi of te Tauihu plus Matua waka. So because we are now in level 1, the tikanga po and the kaumatua that were involved have recommended that the lifting of that Rāhui will take place this coming Monday, the 15th of June, during our 7 p.m. karakia. So what will take place is that very similar to when we introduced the Rāhui. So there will be the pūmoana or the pūtātara. Our wahine will decide whether there will be a karanga, and then Ngāti Kuia will lead us with karakia, followed by tokomaru, followed by Matua waka, and then Tainui will finish. And we've asked cousin Rory if he will whakakapi after everyone else has completed their karakia. So following that, we'll have a himine to finish off. And then we thought we might take the opportunity to have a time of reflection over the period that we have been in lockdown. So whānau, looking forward to lifting the Rāhui, hopefully going back to something that we recognise as being normal. There have been many learnings over the period of lockdown, and hopefully we can talk about those during our reflection time after karakia this coming Monday. So whānau, please join us on Monday evening, 7 p.m, and we look forward to our conversation. Nō reira, tēnā koutou, kia ora tātou katoa.